Hello guys, let's talk about the disadvantages of not verifying your identity in AdSense. What is going to happen if you do not verify your identity in AdSense? This and more is what we'll be talking about in this video. So if you have not subscribed, please do well to do so. Share this video with your family and friends who are also content creators for them to benefit from it. Now let's understand what identity verification is all about. What brings about it? How do I know when it's time for identity verification? If you are if you have not yet monetized your channel, that is, if you are still accumulating watch hours and your channel is not yet monetized as at in 2025 and your channel cross over to 2026, you have an edge, because right now identity verification has been made very easy. But before I talk about it, let me take you back to the very beginning. After creating your YouTube channel, you'll be uploading videos, getting watch hours and subscribers to your channel. You'll need to get up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you'll be able to completely monetize your channel on YouTube. Some creators are confused. They say that if they get 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, they will be able to monetize their channel. Yes, it is true. Don't be confused. If you get 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, that is, you'll be able to apply for the YouTube partnership program. I call it small monetization. The reason why I tag it as small monetization here is that you are not going to have all the features that comes with full verification. So if you are able to get up to 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hour, you'll be able for YouTube small monetization, which is fan funding. And when you go live and your subscribers gift you earn money. So it is very true that you can monetize your channel with at least 500 subscribers. Having said all this, if your channel is fully monetized, you need to connect it to an active AdSense account. If you are familiar with monetization, you must have gone through this process before. So after connecting an active AdSense account to your channel, you're earning. As you're uploading video, as people are watching, you continue earning. Now as you are earning, your money will be accumulating. So if you need to get to a payment threshold. Now this payment threshold is $10. When you get to this payment threshold of $10, you'll be asked to input your tax info. That is your tax document. You'll be asked to input it. After you have input it, then after some time, a system will trigger you, will give you a notification to do identity verification. The purpose of identity verification is for them to be sure of the owner of the channel, that the person that have been uploading videos there is a real human being, and to also confirm your country. If you say that you are from Nigeria, US, Ghana, during identity verification you will prove that. Now, if you are monetizing your channel in 2026, you have two major options, which is either you verify through a very fast, reliable online method, or you verify through the old way, which is the postal mail. YouTube will send your PIN through mail service, and when they deliver it, you input the PIN in your AdSense account, or you use the fast online verification method. There's a platform called Asana, and they are partnering with Google to help in verification, and this platform are doing very well. So if you choose to use the online verification, it won't even take you up to 2 minutes before verifying your identity. So all you have to do is to get hold of the document you want to use, either your voter's card, your international passport, your driving license, or your NIN. When you have any of these documents, you are good to go. Now all you have to do is to log into your AdSense account, go to the notification that was sent to you to verify your identity, tap on the notification, and you will be redirected to AdSense to the site, and you'll be asked which of the verification method you want to use, either the online verification or the mail verification. If you choose the online verification, all you have to do is to take either of the documents I listed earlier, either your driving license, your international passports, your NIN, or your voter's card. But if you are in Nigeria, I would strongly recommend you use your voter's card. Reason here is that if you choose to use NIN, most Nigerians don't have the plastic NIN, and they have the paper on, which might likely not go. So if you have your voter's card, I've tested and verified it, it's working very fine. If you have your voter's card, go ahead, get a flat surface. You can use an A4 paper, place your voter's card on the A4 paper, use your phone to scan it. Immediately you scan it, it will pass and show your basic information, which is your name and your father's name and your date date of birth. Make sure all this information are correct, then go ahead and submit. And after then, you'll be asked to do the first verification. After the first verification, you receive a message that you have finally verified your identity in Essence, and that is it. It is as simple as that. If you are planning to monetize your channel in 2026, I would strongly recommend you use the online verification method, as it is working perfectly. So it's now left for you to take your YouTube journey to the next level. If you have been creating videos before and you are not taking it serious, it is now left for you to become more serious, more dedicated, and do what you love best. And pray, and even as you are creating your content, also be praying for God to direct you. Having said all this, what do you think about this video? Help me and share it to other content creators. Like and drop me your comments. And bye bye.